client asked me something really simple the other day. She said, Sam, can we have a border around our cookie banner? Like it's a pop-up in the bottom left-hand side. And I said, obviously, of course you can. Let me go and do it. And so I went into site styles and I couldn't for the life of me find where the option was to put a border around the cookie banner. So what I did was I coded it and then I had a look around and I felt like it was already in the menu system, but it clearly wasn't. And I thought, well, that's an oversight on Squarespace's part. So I wanted to put this video together really, really quickly to show you how I did it and how you can do it for your website too. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. If this is a native feature, then whoops, but I'm pretty sure it's not. So here is the CSS solution. So down here, we've got our cookie banner. Now, let's say you want to put a border around it. And I could be wrong, as I say, I could be wrong. There may be somewhere in site styles to do this, but I couldn't see it. So what we want to do first off is go into pages. And then if we go down to website tools and custom CSS, we want to paste the following. So GDPR cookie banner, squiggly brackets, and then border solid 2px. Now you can change the size, so you can make it way thicker, and you can change the color by entering simply a color name or a hex code. So let's just do 000 to get it black. FFF, we'll get it white, and you can pick whatever hex code, HSL code, what else? Well, RGBA, anything that you want, put it in there. Then if you wanted to give it a border radius, so curve the corners, you could go border radius, and then you can make it curved with 20px again. Or you could make it less curved, let's say 10. You can fiddle around with that. So that's how you add the border and give it a curve. Now, if I just quickly go back and then go into site styles, just to check, we'll go back here and then back again, styles. It's going to take us over here. So let's go into colors, I guess. That wouldn't even work. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll click / and we'll just search cookie, because it's going to give us styles here, and I'm pretty sure it's only the place that it actually is, and the size of the text, and then this would just be the color here, so what color you want it to come up as. I don't see any border in there. Someone correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. I'm willing to be wrong, but that is how you do it with a really simple line of CSS. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.